Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan Nair, and here basically we are talking about one topic, that is currency. Basically, which currency is handling which currencies basically. So in this basically the topic basically is till now basically we have reached is the USA basically says that basically the we have the list of each and every data basically, and there are 22 crore people basically in USA basically they are staying, and their data basically we have. So they basically says that basically 22 crore people basically are in USA. So according to that basically the investment must happen. But this is basically long term basically term basically. If their 22 crore basically has placed there, right? So before placing basically the Indian basically businessman and the Indian government basically have already done the investment basically. It's not like that basically that investment has not done, nothing has basically. So pre-planning basically you can say pre-planning has done by the Indian government. And so lots of people might be thinking that basically the Indian government has basically left us in USA basically. That also basically lots of people might be thinking, but it's not like that basically. The investment is done according to that only basically. The 22 crore people basically have got the space basically. So before any visa gets issued, so visa process basically comes into the picture after the investment only. So here basically one person told that basically what is the sequence of the system basically in this world. Basically there are lots of system basically created, right? Then he told that yes, basically the system basically are created so that the problem, the people basically is not supposed to face any type of problem basically, right? So visa basically, before issuing the visa basically, the investment procedure basically, that is the investment system process basically is already done. Then one of the person told that basically yes, basically it might be basically done, not it might be, it is basically done. So according to that basically the visa basically has issued basically, that 1 lakh people basically got the H1B visa on the base of investment basically they have got the job. So like this basically visa, before visa the investment process has done, right? So like this in this world, assume that there are more than 3 lakh system basically which is created by each and every countries basically. Each and every country's government basically have created each and every system basically. So is what is the basically sequence of the each and every system basically. So one person told that basically for that basically we need to do the detailed analysis basically, the what actually the sequence is basically, and how basically you can say that this sequence is correct. So that is also basically one question basically. This connects like this basically. The 24 hours is there basically. In 24 hours basically human gets the energy, right? So what is the sequence of that basically? Then he told that basically according to the food basically what he eats, and according to the habits and according to the attitudes and according to the history basically of that particular person, the data basically are given to that particular person basically in 24 hours basically. And he told that basically exactly that it might be basically so same way basically each and every country basically has done certain level of activities and they have created the system basically, and according to the system basically they have created and the activities basically they have done basically in the country basically and with the outside country basically, according to that basically the sequence basically of system basically has given. This is basically the one possibility. That means one person told that basically how many possibilities might be there basically. There are more than 3 lakh system basically. Just taking as an example basically. Number basically it can be possible that there might be some 2 lakh or 1 lakh basically might be also possible. 3 lakh basically is maximum amount basic, maximum number basically I have told. Maximum number basically I have told of the system basically. So total number of system basically created by the governments. So first basically things basically we have already discussed. So this might be the possibilities. Then basically he told that basically the priority wise basically it might possible that the system basically might be creating. Then he told that basically Earth planet is moving. So Earth planet is going to move that side basically. So according to that side basically the 5 crore people basically have to create, right? is going to create, right? So that is basically high priority basically. Then he told that yes, basically that is high priority. So this priority basically gets on top basically. This priority basically comes on top basically. So the sequence of the system basically immediately gets changed, that these people basically are going to come because the earth planet is going to move that side, and the existing system basically is already created. So for that basically priority can be taken later basically. So this the reason that thing basically is not created, that is basically totally new, and it might possible that lots of R&D basically might be do because new possibilities are there. So that need to check, and then basically the things basically can be clear. So that basically might be the another priority basically. So this also basically possibilities are there basically. Like this basically he told that basically 3 lakh system basically are there, so possibilities also basically might be 3 lakh minimum. Then he told that yes, basically 3 lakh minimum possibilities will be there basically, because in this world basically if they can create the 3 lakh system, then the possibilities also basically might be lots of basically, because visa system only, just see basically how the visa system basically is created. Just see the visa system basically how it's created. This requirement, according to the requirement, the country basically comes to the immigration office, and then according to that requirement basically, which is actually the requirement, they gets the people basically. They basically gets they basically want 1 lakh people for this particular requirement. They basically taken for the taken the 1 lakh people basically. So this was the requirement basically, and according to the requirement basically they have taken the people basically. So everything is basically connected with the priority system basically, and the each and every basically system which is already created, and basically who can create what system basically. So like this basically second possibilities are also basically there basically. Like this basically assume that there are minimum 3 lakh possibilities in this world basically. On the base of the that basically the system can be defined basically. Before visa process, the investment process basically has already done. According to that, only 1 lakh people basically got the US visa basically. It's not like that basically visa has not got, visa is already given and still the investment is pending. That type of thing basically not possible basically. That type of thing government will never do basically. If they have some intention basically, then they will do. But mostly basically they never do basically, because ultimately they are only going to suffer. That's why basically the government basically never takes the chances basically. They never takes the chances. Reason, because ultimately whatever things is going to be do, the plan basically which is they are going to do, that they are only have they are only going to suffer basically. Possibilities basically are there basically for that also basically. So basically, for example, some investment basically they have not done, and ultimately this the 1 lakh people basically are going to suffer there. So they are going to create issue only there basically. They are not going to sit basically like that, no basically. They are going to 100%, because it's a human tendency basically, right? They are going to create some issue like this problem. Then basically Indian government will come into the picture. Like this, Indian government have lots of work basically. Then why basically they will take more basically burden with them on their head basically? That's not possible, no, basically. So they will basically never take this type of step basically, and that basically affects this sequence also basically. The earth planet is going to move. If they are going to give burden to that people basically, then there this 5 crore people basically who are going to come, their task also basically might get effect. So government basically mostly never takes the chance basically. Never, mostly basically 99% they never takes the chance basically. 99% they never takes the chance basically. That's why basically reason is future planning of the earth planet is moving that side. That's why the according to the future planning, the earth planet is moving that side. So according to that, the preparation basically has to done. That's why basically the as much basically problem basically comes less, that only basically governments do the plan basically. So this is also basically little bit about the currencies, currencies which basically will 100% effect basically, because if they are doing some wrong system creation, then basically currency amount is only going to, currency number are going to affect. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit about the currency only.